how to add the stocks watch list and symbol widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold, and then tap on Edit at the top left. Now from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Then we scroll down in here, tap on Stocks. Then in here you can choose a small size, medium size, or a large size watch list widget. You can also swipe across and find the symbol widget as well. So select a widget size and widget type, then tap on Add Widget. And here you can tap on the widget to select your watch list, show stories, or show watch list name. And that's it. So here I can tap on it, add to jungles, and then tap outside of the watch list to save the changes. And that's it. So the stocks details will now show in the widget. Next we can add in the other widget as well. So I'll go back into my screen here and then tap on Edit. I'll make this widget smaller so that we'll have more room for the other widget. Then I tap on Edit, tap on Add Widget. Now we scroll down, and in here tap on Stocks. This time we will select the symbol widget, and then tap on Add Widget. And then you can tap on the widget itself to select symbol. So here you can choose S&P, ASX 200, Nasdaq, the FTSE, and many other as well, many other options as well. And that's it. So here I will choose the FTSE symbol, and then it says here show stories in off hours or always or never, and then tap on outside the box to save the changes and tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.